Hi everyone, my name is Autumn Morgan, and here's a picture of me with my family. I'm the second one from the right, and next to me is my brother Chad, and in the middle are my parents, in front my youngest sister Amelia, and then my sister Chloe, and my older sister Briar and her husband Brad. We're from Temecula, California. It's about an hour north of San Diego. But I am an on-campus student at BYU, Idaho, and that's why I am so incredibly pale. I never get to see the sun. But I got to spend a couple weeks in California for Christmas, of course, with my family. I love them so much. We do everything together. And also, you see a picture of my dog Copper, and I'm going to talk about him in a minute. But here's a picture of me as a missionary. I served in the Virginia Richmond Mission, Spanish speaking. And of course, I learned so much, and it was a huge part of my life, but it also really impacted me because I met some of my best friends, and I came back here to BYU, Idaho, and I ended up rooming with half of the sisters in this picture, and they make life super fun. I'm way excited for this semester because my boyfriend Hayden gets home from his mission in the Canada-Toronto mission, Portuguese speaking. He gets home in about a month, and we've been together for 3 years now, but for over 2.5 of those years, at least one of us has been on our mission, so we're super excited that we finally get to be together again. One thing that I love doing is playing sports. I have played sports my whole life. I don't really play anything competitively, but just for fun. And last semester, I got roped into this intramural soccer team with my sister and her husband and our cousins and his cousins, and it was just one big family team, and we ended up winning the championship, and that was pretty fun. So I said I was going to talk about my dog Copper. As you can see, he doesn't really like being held or taking pictures, but I love him a lot. He's the only dog I've ever had, but ever since I was so young, I loved animals, and ever since I can remember, I wanted to be a veterinarian. But by the time I was a teenager, I realized that probably wasn't a very realistic um, career path for me because I am very allergic to animals, and that wouldn't be a very good job if I was miserable all day. But I figured I could take the same path and work with humans instead of animals. And so ever since then, I have wanted to be a nurse, and nothing else has interested me more. And so I've been working on the prereqs for the nursing program, and that's why I'm in this class. I look forward to all that I'm going to learn this semester, and I look forward to meeting all of you.